The app by design is called Team Community. The goal is to allow coaches to communicate information with parents and players easily. Desktop version is for coaches and leagues. It's where the coaches can upload rosters, schedules, stats, and photos. It's connected to the mobile app the parents and players use. The mobile app allows the user to send messages and gives access to parents and players to the schedule, photos, coach information, stats, and many other options. I'll now walk you through each platform. What we're looking at here is the desktop homepage. This is where the coach will either log in or register their team, or the league can also register. On the team registration page is where the coach will enter their personal information and the team name and create a password and select the team that the sport their team is playing. On the Team Central page, this is where it connects to team rosters. And team rosters, you can click on the individual player names to get personal information and player stats. You can also upload the team roster here. The team schedules is where you can look at individual team schedules by clicking on team buttons, upload the team schedules. Also see an overview of all games the coach has with all the different teams. You hover over the date, you will be able to see any event, time, and place. The team photos is where the coach can upload professional team photos and any photos they take at the games or practices along with videos. And team standings is where they will upload team stats and league stats, and you can also see their wins and losses and for each team. We'll now look at the mobile app. This is the home page for the mobile app. You can see multiple teams. So if a parent has more than one kid playing, they can see all the teams, and same with the coach. If he coaches more than one team, he'll see all the teams there on the overall calendar to see all games on the schedule. The Team Central page has team chat for messaging, the team schedule link, a coach's information link, and a fan's link. Team chat is just like text messaging. The schedule has an overall schedule, and then if you click on a date, it'll bring up the game on that day with the time, location, equipment needed, and who's bringing snacks. And the fans page has a link to all the fan options like photos. You can add a fan like a grandparent, live game updates. This is where someone can keep score, has a roster and team stats. And the photos page is where there is a link to the team photos, or a parent can add game photos or game videos. Thank you for your time.